Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HBO Max, stream movies and series online step by step clearly. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the HBO Max app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, or go to the official HBO Max website in your browser. If you are on a computer, type the correct HBO Max website address carefully and press enter. On the home screen, find the Sign In or Login button and select it. Check that you are on the official HBO Max page to avoid fake login screens. Choose your sign-in method if you see options like email and password or provider login. If you have an HBO Max account, enter your email address in the email field. Type your password slowly and make sure it is correct, including uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are using a TV app, follow the on-screen instructions to continue to the sign-in page. When a code appears on your TV, keep that screen open and do not exit the app. On your phone or computer, open a browser and go to the activation website shown on the TV. Sign in with the same HBO Max account you want to use on your TV. Enter the activation code exactly as it appears on the TV screen. Select Continue or Activate to link your TV to your account. Wait a few seconds for the TV app to refresh and confirm you are logged in. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and check your inbox for the password reset email. Open the email, click the reset link, and create a new strong password. Return to the HBO Max app or website and log in again with the new password. If you get an error, double-check your email and password for typing mistakes. Make sure your caps lock key is not turned on when entering your password. If the app is not loading, close it completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, update the HBO Max app from the App Store or Google Play Store. On a smart TV or streaming device, check for system updates and restart the device. If you are traveling, confirm that HBO Max is available in your current region. If your subscription is through a provider, select Sign In with Provider and choose your provider name. Enter your provider username and password, then approve any prompts to complete login. After you are signed in, select a profile and start browsing movies and series to stream. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.